With over 75 years of expertise, Echo has developed the new Garden Plus series. The DLM-310 35P lawnmower is compact, lightweight and powerful. Simply connect and get to work. The 5-position central height adjustment dial allows cutting from 20 to 70 millimeters. Whilst the compact and highly maneuverable frame make it perfect for navigating all those hard-to-reach areas of your garden. Thanks to its integrated wheels and side cones, working up against objects is hassle-free. With a large capacity collection bag, keeping things tidy is a breeze and means you won't have to stop until the job's well and truly done. So go ahead, transform your garden plus our expertise.